Hello and welcome to today's lesson. Today we are learning how to add integers, positive and negative whole numbers. Here is a question. On a cold July morning in Limuru, the temperature is -2 degrees Celsius. By noon, the temperature has risen by 6 degrees. What is the temperature now? In other words, -2 plus +6. What do you get? Some learners say +4. Others say -8. Only one is correct, and by the end of this lesson, you will always know which one and why. Here is what you will be able to do by the end of this lesson. First, add any two integers using a number line, so you can always see what is happening. Second, add integers quickly using the sign rules, even when the numbers are too big for a number line. And third, use integer addition to solve real-life problems about temperature, money, and scores. Everything about adding integers comes from one simple picture, the number line. Here it is. Negative numbers live on the left, positive numbers live on the right, 0 sits in the middle, and here is the golden rule of movement. When you add a positive number, you walk to the right. When you add a negative number, you walk to the left. That is all addition, is walking. Let's try it. +4 plus +3. We start standing on 4. We are adding +3, so we take 3 steps to the right. 1, 2, 3. We land on 7. So +4 plus +3 is +7. Now, -3 plus -4. We start on -3. This time we are adding a negative, so we walk left. 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. We land on -7. -3 plus -4 is -7. Notice both walks went the same direction, so the distances simply added up. One more, and this is the interesting one. +5 plus -8. Start on 5. We are adding -8, so we walk 8 steps to the left. Watch what happens. 5 steps take us back to 0, and the remaining 3 steps push us into the negatives. We land on -3. +5 plus -8 is -3. The two numbers pulled in opposite directions, so what we really did was find the difference between 8 and 5, and the bigger pull won. Those 3 walks give us the 2 rules we will use for the rest of the lesson. Rule 1, if the signs are the same, add the sizes and keep that sign. Rule 2, if the signs are different, subtract the smaller size from the bigger size, and the answer takes the sign of the bigger size. Keep these 2 rules in front of you. Every single example coming up is just one of these 2 rules in action. Let's practice Rule 1, adding integers with the same sign. Example A, +3 plus +9. Both signs are positive the same. On the number line, start at 3 and walk 9 steps to the right, all the way to 12. Or, use the rule, same signs, add the sizes. 3 plus 9 is 12, and we keep the positive sign. +12. Example B, -7 plus -5. Same signs again, both negative this time. Add the sizes. 7 plus 5 is 12. Keep the sign they share negative. So the answer is -12. Example C, bigger numbers now. -23 plus -14. Too far to walk on a number line, but the rule works instantly. Same signs, add the sizes. 23 plus 14 is 37. Both numbers are negative, so the answer is -37. Now, Rule 2, the one most exam mistakes come from, adding integers with different signs. Example A, Positive 9 plus negative 4. One positive, one negative, different signs. Picture it. Start at 9, and because we are adding a negative, walk 4 steps to the left, we land on 5. With a rule, different signs subtract the sizes. 9 minus 4 is 5. Which size is bigger? 9 and 9 was positive, so the answer is positive 5. Example B. Negative 11 plus positive 6. Different signs, so we subtract. 11 minus 6 is 5. The bigger size is 11, and 11 carries a negative sign, so the answer is negative 5. The bigger pole wins. Example C. Negative 15 plus positive 22. Don't let the negative coming first scare you. The method is exactly the same. Subtract the sizes. 22 minus 15 is 7. The bigger size, 22, is positive, so the answer is positive 7. Integers are everywhere in real life. Temperature, money, floors in a building, points in a game. Let's solve 3 problems. Problem 1. The morning temperature is negative 3 degrees. During the day, it rises by 8 degrees. What is the new temperature? A rise means VADD, positive 8. Different signs subtract. 8 minus 3 is 5, and the bigger size is positive 5 degrees. And notice, this is exactly our Limuru question from the start. The answer was positive, not negative. Problem 2. Wanjiru owes the shopkeeper 250 shillings, that is negative 250. She hands over 400 shillings. What is her balance now? Negative 250 plus positive 400. Different signs. 400 minus 250 is 150 positive because 400 is the bigger size. She's owed 150 shillings change. Problem 3. In a board game, Baraka scores negative 2, positive 5, negative 1, and positive 3 over 4 rounds. What is his final score? A neat trick. Gather the positives. 5 plus 3 is positive 8. Gather the negatives. Negative 2 and negative 1 make negative 3. Then one final addition, 8 minus 3. Positive 5. Baraka finishes on 5 points. Before we finish, let's look at the 2 mistakes that cost the most marks so they never catch you. Mistake number 1, negative 6 plus negative 4. Many learners write negative 2. It feels right, 6 take away 4, but it is wrong. The signs are the same, so we don't subtract VADD. 6 plus 4 is 10. Keep the negative, negative 10. On the number line, you walked left twice. You must end up further left, not closer to 0. Mistake number 2, negative 9 plus positive 4. Learners correctly subtract 9 minus 4 is 5, but then forget the sign and write positive 5. Wrong again. The bigger size is 9, and 9 is negative, so the answer must be negative 5. Always ask, which pole is stronger? That sign wins. One question protects you from both mistakes. Are the signs the same or different? Decide that first before touching the numbers. Let's bring it all together. You can now do the 3 things we promised at the start. You can add integers on a number line, adding a positive walks right, adding a negative walks left. You can use rule 1, same signs. Add the sizes and keep the sign. And rule 2 different signs, subtract the sizes, and the sign of the bigger size wins. Now it's your turn. Pause here and try these 3. A, negative 12 plus positive 7. B, positive 6 plus negative 13. C, the temperature is negative 4 degrees and rises by 10 degrees. Ready? A is negative 5, B is negative 7, and C, negative 4 plus 10, positive 6 degrees. If you got all three, you have mastered addition of integers. Your practice questions are waiting below this video. The numbers change every attempt, so you truly learn the method, not the answers. See you in the next lesson, where we subtract integers.